Hi there. In the last video, we learned how to group and rotate. So it looked like that. And so now on your template, you might have two or maybe even three of these. Quite honestly, what you can do is you can erase this and this if you have that. You can also erase what I have as slide number 5. So basically you can have two of these here, but my thinking is now that you have it grouped, I see some extra down here, which is probably on your template as well. Sorry that I gave you extra text. Now that you have this, you can copy this and paste it here. Basically, if you look on the template, it's very similar, but what I would like is now that you have the element from slide 2 to this slide.
It's 3 o'clock.
You can now record your voices so we can hear how to pronounce your name. So what I would like you to do is slowly to record your voice. To do that on the Mac, you hit Media and Record Audio. Hello, my name is Ko Ji-hoon. You can call me Mr. Morrison. So for example, I should actually maybe have 3 things if you have your Romanized name from a different language. It's fun if you include your language here as well. And then probably I should have had Morrison under that as well, as far as you can call me Mr. Morrison. Down here, what I would like you to do is click Edit. Then you can clean this up just a little bit. There's usually a pause before and a pause after, and you can simply you have to click X, this scissors, to actually cut it. And now I can preview. Hello, my name is Ko Ji-hoon. You can call me Mr. Morrison. Now this is nice, but it's not like GarageBand, etc. I cannot cut out this somewhat awkward pause, and it's okay. All we want to do is to hear how to pronounce your full name in whatever language you're from, and to hear you pronounce how you want us to call you in class. From there, you can click Done, and you must click Insert. And what's beautiful is now Hello, my name is Ko Ji-hoon. You can call me Mr. Morrison. And now what's beautiful is you can copy this or cut it. I'll cut it, and maybe I want it here instead. Now, just to be clear, I should do what I told you I would do. If you have your name in this situation, I'm going to ungroup. And now that it's ungrouped, I should be able to type in. I know that you saw me erase that recently. And then maybe I just change the font size so that it all fits here. And maybe I say, oh, I don't want it to be too small. So you can make this larger. If you want, you can erase that in the background. That's just there to guide you. You can move this down. You can make the font smaller. And because we rotated it as a group, it's still nice and consistent. And again, I'm going to regroup it now. So I'm holding Shift, clicking both, using 2 fingers on my mouse pad. And I'll try that again. I'll click Group. And now, do you remember the keyboard shortcut for rotating? That's right, it's Command. Or over here, it's right here. So I can hit Command, and I can rotate it in a way that I feel comfortable. With that many characters, it probably makes sense to have less of a drastic angle. Something like this is still stylish and looks nice. It's stylish and it's easy to read. I hope this is helpful. Please practice these steps. I will see you in the next video.